Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to swap the faces in Photoshop. Let's begin our tutorial. I have two images ready already here. This is the one image, Mr. Bean's image, and this is the another image. I am going to take the face from Mr. Bean and place it over here. Let's begin tutorial. First, use your lasso tool and then select the face. Ctrl C for copy it and then go over to this image and Ctrl V for paste it. Move it to your new image and then Ctrl T to resize the face. Go over here and then change your opacity to little down so you can have perfect match, like the eyes over the eyes. Okay, I need to pull the mouth little down. Okay, now change your opacity back to 100% and mark it down once you satisfy with your resized. Now select the same layer, right click here and then select pixels. After you have done select the pixel, go to the select, modify contrast by 10 pixel. Okay, now you can see that you have contrast by 10 pixel. Go to the background layer, unlock your background layer first and then press delete button, which helps to delete the background face. Here you can see the icon here. This icon hide the top layer and you can see your background layer face is deleted. After you have done this, hold the shift button and select the both layer and go to edit, auto blend layers and then select the stack images and OK. Now you can see that the face has been swapped. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.